I'm actually going to go in with one of my 99 cent store palettes. One of the ones I thought was one of the prettiest ones and most pigmented. I'm also going to go in with the 99 cent store eyeliner. The Smoke and Mirrors brand that I just did a video on. If you didn't catch that video, check the link below. It'll be in the bio on that video. So let's just jump right on into this eye look. I kind of want to get ready. guys, I am back. We've got our full face going on. I just went ahead and finished up my face, my lips, and all that, you know, got all glammed up for you guys, just for you, honey. Anyway, well, how I feel about the Mally Beauty Cosmetics. Honestly, they went on wonderfully. They feel great on the skin. I have worn, like I said, everything but the eyeliner that I use on my underwater line. I've worn it before. Everything is on point. The concealer is really thick in consistency, and if you want to wear that, I wouldn't recommend it sitting for a while. Once you put it on your face, you need to work it in, or it's not going to end well, because it does set and settle real fast, okay? But I didn't have any other issues with it besides that. On the foundation, I almost honestly wish it was just a hint deeper, or at least the exact shade match as the concealer, because the names are the same, but the foundation is coming off a lot bit lighter. Wintertime, this might be a much more better shade for me to reach to, because like I said, it's a bit lighter than I need it to be, but I will probably be able to pull it off in the winter time. Summertime, definitely not, because I get a very deep mahogany sandy red brownness shade tan to my skin tone in the summertime. But wintertime, I think this could be a go-to foundation in the wintertime. As you guys can see, I did 2 pumps. Gave me really good coverage, almost close to full coverage with just 2 pumps. It did say it was medium to full, so I'm really liking it. I give it a thumbs up. If you don't mind doing that, you know, that top dollar, I would recommend you go ahead and try it. I would always recommend you using a coupon or try to find it on sale. But I did get it on sale. I'm so excited and very glad that I got to try Mally Beauty products. I have seen her on, like I said, on TV, and she's had a beauty line for quite a while, quite a long time. But thanks to Ulta and their sale, I was able to try it. Thank you so much for watching. See y'all tomorrow. Ciao.